Before starting the video, I just want to tell you that this video is only for educational purpose. So there is no recommendation from my side about any stock. So please try to learn the analysis part and how approach is getting created by a trader about the market. So please try to learn all these things. So let us start the video. So for today's trading, I have selected Tata Motors, and let me tell you the reason why I have selected Tata Motors. So in these days, a beginner can easily tell you that who is dominating the price of Tata Motors. So buyers are easily dominating the price of Tata Motors. So if any buy opportunity is coming in Tata Motors, then that trade will be a high probability trade. So there will be a very good chance of winning that trade and you will end up with a profit. So this is the whole psychology behind going for long in Tata Motors. So first confirmation was its dominant pressure. Second confirmation was how uniformly this stock price is breaking its level and creating new level and again breaking that level. So you can see first level breaking, broken, retested, again broken, retested, again still it was in the morning it has broken the level that it has created yesterday, and more importantly that level that was created yesterday was tested multiple times, also at least two times on the yesterday trading session itself. So a gradual or uniform uptrend you can easily see here, creating higher highs on daily basis on 5-minute chart as well as on daily frame. So its price movement and the overall the trend of market and trend of this stock is also in the same directions. And more importantly, a level 530 or a high was created. So this is a 52-week high or more than that. So that level is also broken today. So I was waiting for a retest because the breakout came in the morning. But looking as per the momentum, there was no actually case of retesting. So for when very first you can tell like 1 minute. Okay, when very first swing low was created, as you can see these candles are a part of consolidation. So this is I think around 9:25 till 9:45. So 20 minutes price was trading in a range. So a flag pattern was expected from my side. So I have placed my limit order on the high of this candle, and that is 9:25. As soon as the high of 9:25 candle was broken, I have made my position by taking the stop loss just below this swing low. So technically and through price action wise, the trade was good, setup is also good, momentum was with us. But it is the market that has forced Tata Motors price to take the U-turn, and it is still trading in a range. So now it's the closing hour. In next half an hour or 45 minutes, the market will be closed. But price of Tata Motors are unable to take the uh, price in upward direction. So I today booked loss in Tata Motors because of the loss of momentum at the beginning of the trend. So what happens in price actions? If you are a very big trader, a very big player, then you can start a momentum. But we are very small retail trader, so we cannot start momentum. So for us, better thing is to wait for a pullback or a reversal where we can make our position easily by giving by taking a very small amount of stop loss, so that there will be a less chance of losing the money. But today what happened, you can clearly see everything was right in our expected direction, but the market is supreme, and that has forced the price of Tata Motors to stop moving from here, and now still the price is facing the resistance, or the supply is still coming at that level around 533 or 434. Maybe there are some person who are clearing their position, those who have taken much before, so they are clearing their position, or a new position is getting created, because price is also not going down. So very nice and lengthy build-up is also getting created. So for the next session, this will be a very good candidate for a long trade. And at the same time, we can also expect that uh, uh, downward direction or downward trend could be started. So this is all about the upcoming market session, and it will be a follow through action. So that is a matter of future, that is not in our control. So we will discuss what happens today and what we will learn, what we have learned. Okay, so I have told you the reason of selection of this stock, and the result of the trading in Tata Motors is that I have booked lost, and the analysis I have also said that uniform movement and this particular level was getting tested, and again the momentum was lost. Why I have booked loss as per my analysis, and the lesson that I have learned that market is supreme, and everything was right and in place. I have made my position at my entry was perfect as per my analysis, until experience of my trading. My entry was perfect. So because waiting for a retest over a year, price has never gone over there. So at least regarding that aspect, I was right. Price will never come go, never come touch and go. So if I was waiting for a test, maybe I have not booked loss, but there will be a chance of lost of opportunity. So because of this, I have made my position at the very perfect time, but still market has decided to give me a loss. That is accepted, and I will analyze what was missed by me today. So this is all about today's trading, friend. Thank you. Keep watching. Keep trading. Bye.